The boat's hitting me.
Well, I wonder if Jay's found anybody up there yet.
My boat was hitting me.
Jay's with Trey, isn't he? Joe!
97.3.
How you doing? Happy 4th of July!
We, the representatives of the 14 colonies, have gathered in order to form a new nation. A nation based on the principles that I know all 14 colonies hold dear. All men.
Mama, what day did I get?
Hey!
Oh, that's probably over there.
Trey's with Trey and Laddie. I don't know.
But he's in a pool. Yeah, he's probably going to get cold. Oh, we're going in a real big hole.
Oh, Bobby said it's got on mosquitoes.
Papa said! What are you doing, boy?
Pretty things you need for the holiday and for the summer days.
Hi!
Walk into Hampton.
I said she got her super white.
I'm sure. Boy, look at those breasts.
Where?
Those breasts.
Where?
Those ones right there. Oh, no, baby, I like them. In that Hawaiian suit. Color coordinated hair. Bobby, have you seen Trey lately? Yeah, they run back over here. I sent him back to the duck hunt.